To be honest, wow, na-surprise ko with the horses. Kay dago ay sila. That's why I'm a bit frightened to touch them. But I know, they're harmless. Pero I'm just quite scared. So, aura-aura na lang. This is now my favorite part. So from few meters away, you will find this tower. I'm so stunned. Uy, nice kayo!
Hi, Kuya Totski!
Hello, mga baka! And the tower! Gitipukan! Gitipukan ng car sa lugar. Obviously, I am so amazed, as you can see in my reaction, and the 360 view of the entire Montes Claros farm is just so too good to be true. After the ranch tour,